Good morning, everybody. Myself, Devadasu Pallikonda. I am working as a technical head here, Miss GM Technical. I am working since 15 years in the industry. Actually, the Finecab is 1972 established manufacturing unit. We are manufacturing of cables, wires, and as well as fans and lighting also. Main basic product is wires and cables. We are dealing with wires and cables, huge range in both states, in Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh. We are widening our rings. Main our product quality will be means precious, and we have own laboratory in our in-house manufacturing. The manufacturing unit will be at Patancheru. We are manufacturing various cables from 1 square mm to 400 square mm and the single core up to 600 square mm. The voltage grades will be 1100 volts and 33 kV cables also we are manufacturing. Okay, and we are supplying to the OEM customers, means direct to railways as well as Transco, Discoms, TS Transco, AP Transco, TS Genco, as well as the steel plants and infrastructures. And we are strong in the manufacturing of wires and cables, and we are supplying the infrastructure also we are having that. We are supplying about the builders also. The main thing is we are just in Charlapalli. We are supplied railway cables of multiple means four core 400 square mm to the minimum size also, and whatever the Charlapalli, the entire cable we are supplying. Means, you see that our projects, infrastructure, railways, thermal projects like that. Quality wise and price wise, there are a lot huge competition in the cable industries, main basically, but we are in the competition and we will give the better price as well as with the good quality product. And manufacturing unit will be at Patancheru, and we are thinking about widening our wings also. Means, that is the main cable industry in the Hyderabad. This expo is a very good means to present our product and explain about our product and manufacturing as well as our customers base. And this is the main good expo to present our intentions and our marketing strategy or everything. I think it is like a expo means we have to give our representation about our cables and to get the customers base as well as to introduce our quality and a lot of product base also. That is the thing the expo will give offer for us. I'm very thankful to the expo to give this opportunity to present our product and explain about the things. That's it. Thank you.